So we were talking about Washington DC. So it was the very first city. Actually, he has been in US before.
Yes.
You were studying in Texas.
Yes, my research work was in Texas, and I have been in Texas, so it was very fun. But the Texas is much more different than the North.
Ah, really?
So
Oh.
US, Washington is quite like the difference. What I can see is normally the difference between Islamabad and other cities. So the same difference between I told you.
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
Same difference
Yeah,
between
I remember. Yeah.
Washington
Ah.
and other states.
I think I'll have to move over here, and we'll adjust the camera.
Okay,
as well.
I was telling you, we were Dawar and two other friends. We were there in Sacramento.
Sacramento.
And we
okay.
went to
Yeah.
a coffee house, and there we ordered a latte. I guess I ordered, and they gave me the bowl.
Bowl
village.
of
Like,
okay.
it was huge, and you just imagine. And I was thinking that like how on earth I'm gonna finish that, and it has zero sugar. So
Interesting.
I was.
Sacramento was a good place. Actually.
Sacramento was like the copy paste of Islamabad. If you remember.
Yeah.
Relaxed, one-headed, like.
It was
one
calm.
thought. Yes, it was calm. It was
Yeah.
relaxed. And
it was
no
quite
rush.
walkable.
Quite walkable, no rush.
No rush.
And people were friendly.
Yeah, people
Very
were friendly.
relaxed.
Yeah. It was better.
Like it was normal at daytime and normal rush at the peak time. So
Yeah.
no peak, no less peak. Everything was simple and everything was same.
I wasn't into coffee until I came to Saudi.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you are.
So now I'm quite into coffee. I have like coffee 4 times a day.
So you are like
Yeah.
taking coffee regularly, yeah?
Quite regularly. And I often go with a flat white. The one that I ordered just now. And at work I'm like consuming 2-3 cups of black coffee. Like literally black coffee with but it keeps me going, gives me energy for all
You
this
know,
content.
it's all
work.
about habit. For example, smoking is injurious to
Yeah.
health, and let me say that.
Yeah.
But it's all about like the habit of smoking. So you are taking coffee. It's the similar. It's all about habits.
Yeah.
My brother. Is in
Humans are
France.
creatures of habit.
My brother is in France and he loves coffee. You can ask him different kind of questions of different type
Yeah.
of coffee, so he'll tell you. He's a lot. Okay, so we're meeting after
Quite some time.
we
Maybe
met in
when you came for Umrah.
Medina,
Medina. Yeah, we met in Medina.
and this
Yeah.
was last year, January or February.
Yeah, it was. I think. If
Zahir
I'm
is
not
still
really-
there. Zahir is still in Medina. Zahir is still there, right?
Yeah. You want to call Zahir?
Zahir will be on call. So what you gonna say?
Yeah. Okay, we'll call him later.
Yeah.
Zahir, if you are watching the video, man, he remembers you.
Yeah, a nice guy, such a nice
Yeah,
soul,
man.
He's a good guy. And
Yeah.
I remember we on the first night when we were just I arrived in Medina
Yeah.
and you picked me up from
Yeah.
the train station.
I picked him up from the train station, yeah.
There was something.
That
very
was really interesting.
The weather
yeah.
was very fun.
Weather was also good, and I picked you up around I think midnight from the train station.
Yeah, it was
Actually, I was coming from Riyadh, so I actually came to Medina, and the very first thing I did was pick him up from
Yes,
there.
train station.
And then we went to Zahir, obviously,
And we, if you remember, I asked when I asked you that when you are arriving, so I gave you my time that I'm coming
Yeah.
through train last
Yeah.
year when I came to.
Yes.
So it was like not a coincidence. We managed that time.
Yeah, exactly.
And he and I reached at that time, and he was reaching exactly
Exactly
5 to
around
7
that
to 10
time.
minutes.
Yeah,
you were
exactly.
there.
It was just like that. And I was coming from Riyadh after work, after a very long day, driving 8 hours there, and
Man,
reaching there.
How
by-
can, yeah, tell me, my brother, how can you do? Let me ask like this way: how can you sustain with a long drive that much, like 8 hours?
Like if you
It's
commute,
a medal.
yeah,
Believe me, it's not a joke. Well, I'm not.
yeah, that's right. So I just made like one stop when I was coming to Medina, and one quick stop for like just grabbing a coffee or using the restroom.
Yeah.
And I reached in Medina from Riyadh in 8 hours. It's a continuous drive, and it's unlike any roads that you would have seen anywhere in any country. So if you are driving in Saudi Arabia on a highway, so most of the part of the highway it will be just you, by yourself driving,
Yeah.
there wouldn't be
Harder.
any cars ahead of you, behind you,
Yeah.
and it will be pitch darkness.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, the only lights you can see are the ones coming from your headlight.
And
Yeah.
cutting that negotiation,
Uh-huh.
let's go back to Los Angeles.
Los Angeles, let's go
The
there.
Los Angeles Lakers basketball.
Yeah,
match.
we saw the Lakers
Oh.
match. Ah.
It was fun. We
Yeah,
were
it
on the
was-
top at the very end.
We were at the very top.
And what was the name of the respected man? Washington, the person that he was with us. in the
He was
IBLP.
accompanying us. Oh.
What is that? I forgot his name.
I hope he is not watching. I have his number saved. No worries. We'll come to Yasin.
Yasin Saab.
Yasin.
Yasin. Yasin Saab, we are sorry.
Yeah.
We didn't forget you. We still remember you.
Yeah, exactly. We didn't have to look in the context.
Yes,
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
got you.
He was with us,
He was with us,
and we were at the very
at
top.
the top watching the Los Angeles
Yeah.
Lakers versus Toronto Raptors.
Yeah, it was quite a good memory actually. Yeah.
The weather was very good after the
Exactly.
match.
I thought I would just walk back to the hotel, but then I said it's better just go back with all of you and then do something else in that
Exactly,
time.
exactly.
The weather, it actually rained. It was like light showers.
Light shower,
Yeah. Really.
You know the weather in Los Angeles is mostly unpredictable.
Huh. Really?
If you remember, we used to have it was like rainy. After a few minutes, it can get cloudy
Yeah.
and then can shower and then can be sunny. Move.
Huh.
It was fun, but it was.
And we also visited the IQ Air's
IQ Air,
headquarters.
yes,
The
it was fun.
purest air you can breathe. The
Yeah. That was very interesting.
zero AQI.
Zero IQ air.
Ah.
The level of zero.
Yeah, the level was zero.
Zero. It was like cleanest air I
That
guess
you
we had in our lives.
In our lives.
Cleanest ever air.
Yeah, the cleanest anyone could have in their lives.
Yes, but
Yeah.
in our lives it
In our
was the
lives,
first
yeah.
inside the room.
Yeah.
IQ air.
IQ
Sure.
air, yeah.
So sure, it was very perfect.
Yeah, exactly.
It was fun. But okay, tell me. You can tell me. What was your best memory from the US trip?
From the US
IBL.
trip, the best memory.
Yeah, if you can
Well,
click it.
I had friends over there. I brought some gifts from them for them, and
I remember that. I remember that. Let me not explain the story, but he can tell. Okay.
Yeah,
yes.
so my after all the events that we used to have in the day, all our engagements and all that. After that, I had a side quest, almost on a daily basis, to go to some post office, to some UPS,
Yes.
to send gifts out to my friends. So the thing is, if let's say when we were in Washington DC, so the people that were near the Washington state, I sent the
Gifts
gifts
from
from Washington DC to those who were in
Near to
around
Los Angeles.
Colorado.
But-
Yeah,
yes.
I also went
in
to-
the Los Angeles. If you
Yeah.
remember, we went to we went to the suburb, not the suburb. It was like a little bit near to our hotel,
Yeah.
and we went down to the park and we were
Yeah,
searching for ATM
exactly,
machine.
exactly. We were searching for an ATM machine. We found it in like a very desolate place.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
He's right.
Hmm.
He's exactly right. And if you remember, it was like late night.
Yeah, it was pretty late night, and there were like, how should I say that? Not exactly gangs, but like people, suspicious people standing
cannot
around the
trust them,
streets of the around the
Wandering
streets.
and they don't have
exactly,
any
yeah.
cause like what
Yeah.
they are doing. They are not going somewhere else. They were just roaming.
Yeah,
and
just
here and
roaming
there.
suspiciously.
Yeah, and few of them.
Yeah, few of them.
Like you cannot say mixed culture or mixed
Yeah.
male or female. Oh, it's a few guys and few heighted and healthy guys.
Yeah. So that was my favorite memory, sending out gifts to my friends in the US. What about you? And the time before I listen to yours, I have to say that the time spent with all of you guys
Yes.
over there, and I'm gonna share the video with others as well.
Yes, it
Yeah.
was fun. It was very.
It was
we had a
the
great
time
memory.
of my life. It was memorable. It was enjoyable, and it will remain with me forever. And it
Same.
will remain on YouTube now as
Yeah,
well.
inshallah.
Yeah, inshallah.
So my best memory, if I have to classify it, the day I was there, I was left in Washington DC,
Yeah.
and it was completely full bright sunny,
Oh.
sunny day, and it was windy.
Ah.
And I went out, and I had a very good. I was not going to any destination. I was just like walking step by step, and I was trying to go. Okay, I have to use the Google Map, and I have to go this way and this way. Uh, then I went some of the gemstones shops.
Oh,
in the
you were
middle.
interested in
Yeah,
gemstones as well. Yeah.
I saw them, and it was.
He's
very
a gem
fun.
anyways.
So I was there, and then I saw some basketball kits and their basketballs. So their shop related to the basketball kits and everything. I step into that. I have very good time over there. Then I went to the monument, what we can call it.
The Washington Monument.
Monument.
Yeah.
I walked there, and I went there, and it was green, lush ground, and I guess there's some Washington Monument, right?
Yeah, Washington Monument. Yeah, yeah.
So it was very green, lush, windy. Family were there, and they were enjoying. And I have a very good talk with people around, and discussions and related
Interesting.
to environment and climate change and very serious
Really?
and very mature topics. What I have seen is like let me share one thing with you, with all of you. What I've seen there is like most of the people they discuss, even our community from Pakistan and India, they were also discussing the mature topics like climate and what is like everything is like
Yeah.
not like what you said, what I've said. This is not the way. So even not with me, even with among themselves, in between and among themselves, they were just like discussing the very good topics, mature topics, ideas, and I had a very good talk with them. So of course we both alhamdulillah related to environmental field, environmental scientists. We both are.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. So of course this is our domain, so we can discuss and we know the pros and cons of different related fields related to environment. So it was very fun. That day was my
Oh,
memory.
that day was memorable, right?
I can never replace that day.
What about our last day when we were coming back from the US?
Oh, it was. Should we explain that? Some of the people.
It was full of emotions. Yeah, it
Emotions
was
and
full of
cry.
emotions for a lot of us.
A lot of us.
Yeah.
Dr. Shella was there.
Yeah.
Kiran was there. Kiran was there.
Everyone had a
Everyone
good time,
had
and
a
we
good
bonded
time.
like really well
Yes.
with each other.
And everyone knew that we are meeting with each other, and the group is
Ah.
going to disperse forever.
Yeah, and well, there's one thing which Kiran mentioned, and I think I have to repeat that message. He told me that obviously he's a bit wiser.
Yes, of course.
So she told me, yeah. So she told me that this bond that we all developed over there, it grew out of vulnerability.
Yes.
And I asked like, why out of vulnerability? What's the reason for that? She told that when one is traveling, obviously by that time she already traveled to a few other countries as well, so she's well traveled as well. So she told me that when we are traveling, we are vulnerable, and if we all developed a very good friendship with each other, so that friendship has grown out of
Yeah.
that vulnerability,
That's what it is.
and that's what makes it special. And like it was that sort of
Perfect, yeah,
conversation, yeah.
perfect.
So that was something. Those words just stuck in my mind.
Don't know if you remember.
Stick
Okay,
to
so
my
let's
mind.
come to me and him, my brother and me. So it was like the nature of bonding and
Yeah.
my hello was starting. From the day first when we met, we had a discussion.
We had the same energy that we
Energy,
have right
yes.
now.
And we cannot discuss much more things in front of you people. What?
The energy is
What we can discuss later.
The energy comes from our jolliness,
Yes.
our outgoing nature.
Yes, yeah, the nature of myself.
And also like seizing the moment to enjoy it
Enjoy.
rather than just passing it.
Exactly. So a lot of live commentary
Yeah.
that we cannot share with you.
Yeah,
people.
exactly. Off the camera, we talked about a lot of stuff.
A lot
actually.
of stuff, a lot of things, and
Yeah.
we discuss. And it's, by the way, it's not a backbiting.
Yeah.
It's not a
No,
backbiting.
no, nothing like
It's
that.
natural. It's something like pick your mood up and just like
Yeah, exactly.
give you good energy.
Just reminiscing the past
Yes.
and
Yeah, of
discussing
course.
it again and again. The
And,
feeling that gives it's actually like
it's kind of
pretty,
a natural bond.
Yeah,
Alhamdulillah.
exactly.
It's kind of a natural bond. So Talha, you are here, alhamdulillah. what are your thoughts about Riyadh? As I am
Riyadh?
very new, I just came here for
Huh.
a conference and
Riyadh is a city that that will present you with a lot of opportunities, and there are a lot of drawbacks living in Riyadh. First things that the traffic here, it will drive you crazy. It will drive you crazy. For 20 minutes, if people see the vlogs that I have made before, I've mentioned many times, for going 20 kilometers you might have to like it will take you an hour or so at like peak hours, and even if it's not peak hours it will take a lot of time. So most of the time you will spend in your day, it will be in traffic if you are a regular commuter. And the other thing, that if you live in Riyadh, you will get addicted to the kindness and the hospitality of the random people.
That's true.
And the thing is that of obviously the Saudi people, the natives here, and you cannot find that elsewhere.
let me add you one thing.
Hmm.
I'm here for a conference, for
Yeah.
international conference. I've been invited for 4 days. That conference was
Yeah.
almost actual conference was 3 days, but 4 days. Exactly long duration. You can find it out 5 days.
Hmm.
So today was the last day, and I am in Saudi Arabia, or in Riyadh for the first time in Riyadh. So what I will say is, like, I will credit Riyadh perfect. Yes, he said traffic is like an issue. If you can
But,
take that everywhere, that's a
yeah,
common issue.
but here
If
it's,
you saw in Los Angeles,
yeah.
it was
Yeah, but here it will drive anyone crazy. Like, just imagine spending 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the evening in rush traffic, and just crawling by the inches.
yeah.
So it can drive anyone crazy. And here, obviously, you're gonna see a lot of accidents. God forbid, people get into that.
yes.
But anyways, that's the reality
but,
here.
but the
Yeah.
rest aside,
Yeah.
you will love.
You will love
Riyadh.
that. The infrastructure is very good. It's very clean.
Perfect
People are
city.
very hospitable, and also
I may say, city of East.
yeah.
I will name it the city
Does-
of East. Like, you can call the West Europe, America. That's it. But from East, I
Yeah.
will just take one city, and that is Riyadh.
That has to be Riyadh. It will present you with a lot of opportunities to.
It's like a loving
only,
mother.
Not only,
Loving mother.
yeah, true. Not only
I've
to,
seen in
yeah,
4 days.
uh,
I've seen in 4 days.
yeah, that you ended the conversation with that. It's like a loving mother.
So what I'm going to say, I'm going to say again. I'm going to give it a title: the City of East.
the city of the East.
That's
man.
it. That's it.
The
That's
city of
done.
the East. That's
The
what
city
we
of
are
the
going
East.
to call it.
Yeah, exactly. Riyadh must be named the City of the East, not only representing Saudi Arabia.
True.
The city, the whole East
True.
is being represented.
There's a
by Saudi
lot
Arabia.
going on here. There's a lot of international
Lot of
events.
International events.
People
you
are
can never imagine.
Flocking
I-
here in
Lot.
huge numbers
Yeah.
to witness the the Saudi culture as well.
Exactly.
Also the Saudi
You
history.
can see the blend.
Yeah.
You can see the original
Yeah,
culture.
but,
you can see the Western. You
Yeah.
can see. You can whatever you think you can see here.
Yeah, and it's not that backward to also. The thing is that
Never.
the amenities one can get in the West
Yeah.
better. You have better stuff here. You
Best,
you saw
best,
the metro, one of the
best,
cleanest
best.
metros
Cleanest
anywhere.
metro. Yeah. Best.
Yeah.
You have seen
You
Washington DC.
yeah,
and we have seen.
I've seen.
It can easily beat that.
Yeah, exactly. By a huge
Margin.
And the thing is, if you go into a metro here, you will not even find a speck of dust.
Hmm.
At every corner, you will find what they call it here is a mozdaf. So it means mozdaf is a representative. So they will guide you, they will keep you in your lanes, they will help you out, they will help the women out. They will, if someone is not a native here, they will sort of guide them where
Big
to
hand
go,
to
how
them.
to pay,
Big
and
hand
all
to
that.
the
Yeah.
city handlers, who is the government.
Yeah, exactly.
And the people, the municipalities, and everyone.
Yeah,
It's not
exactly.
a joke. Like city. At the same time, city is growing.
Yeah,
What I've seen in these few days, city is growing,
growing rapidly.
and at the same time, they are handling it. Gold medal.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why I'm titling
The
it.
gold
like-
is already here.
Yeah.
The gold is already.
that's why I'm titling it the city
The
of
city
the
of the
East.
East.
Yeah. It's,
Yeah, I think well, we'll end it here
Yes.
at the Riyadh being the city of the
Yes,
East.
yes.
and we are
and
gonna
then
talk
we're gonna
about
start
our
our own
conversation.
So I will be in touch with you people.
Yeah, inshallah.
Inshallah.
It's such a pleasure to
Maybe
be
I'll
able to meet you here.
maybe I'll call upon Raza.
Raza?
Yeah, now you will be. Oh, you're calling me Raza. I'm just kidding.
Say that again. I'll cut it.
Okay. So I will ask my brother if we can have some video call chat.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, we will have video call meeting,
Uh-huh.
Zoom meeting.
Zoom meeting, like
podcast.
with the group or like.
It's all up to you, man. Alhamdulillah, it's my brother's
Yeah.
channel. So please like, subscribe, share, do that.
Thank you so
And
much
grow
for
our
watching till
community.
here.
So
Yeah.
we will be supporting our brother,
Ah.
and he will be supporting all of us, inshallah, in that thing.
Thank you for your support.
So, and I guess if you start with some kind of podcast,
Podcast.
and
We
try
can
to
do
take
that.
the I will be people. If you
Let's
are
see.
not getting, no worry. Random guys, your friends, you are
Yeah.
me.
Hmm.
I'm taking it from myself. Start from me. I'll be with you.
We'll start
He will-
with them. Yeah.
He will pay me.
I will pay you with my kindness, with my
That's the
With-
sweetness. That's the sweetness of my brother. And
with my growing affection for just a
and
lovely
one more,
brother like
one-
you.
One more thing. I'm very curious. One more thing. If he do not from this vlog and my brother, inshallah, we are
No,
waiting
no, I'm
for your
gonna keep-
engagement and your marriage.
Yeah, sure. I'll keep you updated on that one as well.
Oh, you're blushing. Don't cut it down.
No, I will not cut it out.
Okay.
It's gonna stay here. It's gonna
So
stay
inshallah. So
Yeah.
are we expecting it soon or what?
here. Well, let's keep it
It's
a
a
surprise.
secret. It's a secret.
Let's keep it a surprise, and
But we will
well,
enjoy it, inshallah.
Yeah, if there's something worth
inshallah.
telling on the video, we'll do that. But obviously, I will keep in touch with you. as well.
It's kind of a thing that I don't think so. With the passage of time, my brother will decide to share it or not. It's
Yeah,
all up to him.
exactly.
It's kind of a personal
Yeah,
thing.
but this channel is to document my life, so
Yeah,
we'll see about that.
inshallah. So we have a very great chat.
Exactly.
And we are, alhamdulillah, we are enjoying today.
A wholesome
Long,
chat.
wholesome chat, and my brother is here. We are enjoying. We had a very good dinner over
Dinner,
there.
traditional dinner, Shalimar Hotel,
Pakistani.
Shalimar
Pakistani
restaurant,
right?
Pakistani Indian sort of mixed,
okay.
yeah.
And then we come up here, and if Talha can,
I'll show
make
them the ending
just from here, just show
sure,
them
sure.
the outside what we can see, and look at that outside. Can you zoom? So look at the outside road system. It's a copy paste like what we saw in
Yeah, exactly.
Remember?
Yeah.
And it can give the vibes of California,
True.
Los Angeles both as well. So it's a supreme place, mashallah.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
is
you will
true,
love it.
and I do realize that the infrastructure here it matches a lot of the Western cities.
Yes.
The infrastructure is like I would say optimal to have a good life. Yeah.
That's why they are doing the very best job.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you
Stay
for
blessed and have a
Thank you
nice
for
day.
listening to us.
Thank you for bearing us, both of
Thank you for bearing us.
you. Take care.
Because I have to bear some more.
Yes, we have to. And we have to talk
About
reality.
Yeah. So we are gonna discuss some stuff which we obviously will not do on camera, but we are gonna enjoy our time. And thank you so much for being a part of this video and supporting.
Blessings, all of you.
Stay
Take
blessed,
care.
and we hope that you would be in the best of health, wealth, love, and happiness in your lives wherever you are. Thank you so much.